Hey, random number between 1 and 366.
A random number between 1 and 366 is 312.
Go away. Why won't it disappear? Opens up the calendar? What? What the hell? What was the number now? Was it 319? I've forgotten the number. 316. Random number between 1 and 366. The number is 319. I think it was 319. Hey, set a timer for 319 seconds.
319 seconds, counting down.
I think that's right. What does everyone do? Hang on, let me tell you where we are first. Basin View, the view of the basin. See, it's doing it again. What does everyone do with these microphones? Because it seems like unless you're standing up, the microphone has the tendency to fall in on itself and fold under the fold of your clothing. Regardless, I'm glad I've got these microphones because right as I began that plank, the little zephyr just came in. I don't know if you can see, but there is a slight breeze here on the basin of the view. And it's also a killer hot day. It's the last day of summer in Australia, the last official day. Let's test. I want to see what Siri intelligence is like, Apple intelligence. Hey Siri, temperature. Didn't do anything. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's about 31 degrees outside.
What's 31 Celsius in Fahrenheit?
That would be 87.8 degrees Fahrenheit.
Did you notice how I didn't say, hey Siri, I just said Siri? No, I didn't. Hang on. That's not, okay, 87 Fahrenheit, but, so you should be able to just not have your phone open and say, Siri, what's the temperature?
It's about 31 degrees outside.
And what's that in Fahrenheit?
It's about 88 degrees outside.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, last day of summer, and it's giving us a stab at the goods. Now, where should we take a stroll to? Should we go to the wharf over there, the jetty? There are crew out there, but it's public. We can all go out there. Let's go along here. That's not a walkway through here, is it? You know what? Let's cut through here. Let's make our own trail. It's just mushy seaweed here. We'll get a good view out there. This is the basin. I'm just trying to think where we've planked before a few times. Errol Bay around there. Where else have we planked that you might have seen from this view? Sanctuary Point. I'm not 100% certain, but that could be Sanctuary Point out there, and we might have planked on that point. I have to look at the map to be 100% verified on that, but for the time being, it's almost irrelevant information, except to say the south coast of New South Wales is where we're at, and you should come on down and enjoy this yourselves. You don't have to plank like I do, but you can just enjoy yourself. Now we've stumped here. We'll cut through here. We'll just cut through these grasses. It's not water, is it? That would suck if it was. No. Yeah, get yourselves down to the better part of town, the south coast. New South Wales. So that would be New South Wales. That's an in joke. You have to have been there. All right, we'll cruise out onto the, you know what I could do? I could leave my camera here. These guys wouldn't know that they're being filmed then. Do you reckon that's a better thing to do or a worse thing to do? Pretend you're not filming, or just go all in like I'm filming? If I put my camera here and just walked out there, they wouldn't know that they're being filmed. I feel like that's a bit dishonest. I won't do that. But I won't put it on them. I won't point it at them unless they don't mind. But I just want to show you the view from out here. How's it going? I'm not going to put you on camera. I just want to show the view, that's all.
Oh, good.
I'll just get like this angle so that don't see you guys. Look at this beautiful vista.
No
worries, mate.
Catching much?
Nah.
Nah, nothing. That's a shame.
Saute the prawns,
Saute the bait.
A lot of nibbles, but
That's funny. All right, have a good time. Look at this guy. What a strange little canoe that guy's got. So yeah, that's your Basin View Parade, Basin View Boat Launching Ramp and Jetty. No swimming? Get out of town. Why would you not? The kids would be swimming here all the time. Yeah. Australia is pretty heavy on the rules, not gonna lie. And I'm known to break those rules from time to time. Just don't see, I don't know, like, not just rules, but signage. Like the classic one down here is caution, tree branches may fall. It's like, no shit. Like, you have to tell us that the trees may fall. Like, how dumb do you have to be not to think that a tree branch may fall? Now, I know that they're doing it so that you don't have a picnic underneath a tree, but they're also doing it so that you can't sue. But we're not very litigious in Australia. We don't often sue. I mean, it does happen, but let's put you down here. Tree branches may fall. It's like saying, I don't know, caution, the water is wet, or caution, the sun may burn, you know? Like the most apparent obviousness doesn't always need to be said. You know, caution, dog may be wet. Caution, dog may shake fur and wet you. No, he's doing it there. Yeah, I don't know. But this would be a great spot to sit on a beautiful, no, the sun, where's west? That'd be west over there. Let me just check where the sun sets. Ah, yeah, caution, bench may be hot. I'm pretty certain that is west over there, but I just want to see. See, look, the mic's doing the same thing again. I mean, I could put the mic on the outside, like this. I feel like that's wrong though. It's too freaking big and obvious that it's a microphone, but it would mitigate that issue. But I'm not going to do it. I'm putting it back on like this and just putting up with it. Now, what was I doing? Oh, where's west? Where's my compass? Compass. Kind of. I was slightly wrong. I thought it was that way. It's more like that. So you wouldn't really get a great sunset sitting right here. You'd have to be sitting over there and having that as the view behind. Pretty nice though. Anyway, the caution, bench may be hot. See, I'm getting burnt here because the sign didn't tell me. No sign warning me of that. Caution in the daytime, sunlight on paint, bench may be warm. Hey. Like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed planks and stories. Come on down to Basin View. But I must warn you, many things could go against you, such as the end of this upload. Like, share and subscribe. See ya.